Welcome, welcome. Um, there is US dollar interest rate today, so we might not get impulsive move because price will be what consolidating prior to the interest rate, and there is interest rate tomorrow for pound by 7 a.m. The interest rate today for US dollar is by 2 p.m. Okay, so as you can see, price is just in a range. Okay, so what will happen is we wait for interest rate, or if you see a trading opportunity, normally there is supposed to be a trading opportunity here, but price is in what this range is holding above a demand zone and what below a supply zone. Okay, price is holding above a demand zone and below a supply zone in a seller's territory. So yes, this sell here could look good, but it is safer. Let's see if we can get an impulsive move either down or up. Now that impulsive move will be what we call the guy who started the move with purpose. Okay, the guy who started the move with purpose. So if we get an impulsive move upwards, we know we are going for the buys. If we get an impulsive move downwards, we know we are going for the sells. So this is what, but for now, just like yesterday, if you check, nothing categorically happened yesterday on British pound Japanese yen. There was no clear bias. Look at this buy position here. I didn't take this trade. This was what I was observing. And just like anticipated, which was why I did not talk about taking buys above here. Price did not hit the take profit because of what? This guy is here. If price had breached this high, today perhaps the song we would have been singing would have been what? Let us anticipate more buys going upwards to this daily supply zone. This is a weekly what? Demand zone, and price is holding above it. So we are in a money spot where the daily guys, the 4-hour guys, and even the 1-hour guy at the moment looking for sales, but the weekly guys who are the old money are looking for what? Buys. So that is what we are looking at the moment. Although the weekly guy is quite far to start influencing, but let's not disregard the impact of what? Old money, or they call them old billionaires. Okay, with that being said, nothing on British pound Japanese yen for today. Tomorrow, because the interest rate, perhaps after the interest rate, we'll see what we can do. But if the interest rate goes down, goes south, or goes north, it would influence the way price would react for the next 4 trading days. Like for instance, the interest rate on Thursday will influence how price will react on Friday, on Monday, on Tuesday, and Wednesday. 4 good days. This is a very, very privileged information. So do well to use it wisely. Okay. With that being said, let's look at what we got on gold. Again, gold, look at all it did yesterday. There was sell positions inside of this range. Okay. But let's see what gold will do today. Don't forget there's interest rate decision today for the US dollar. So if it influences price to go down, we'll be anticipating what? Further bearish momentum. Interest rate, some people call it the FOMC. Okay, so whichever way you want to bet is simpler named as interest rate. So we'll have the US dollar interest rate by 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So price will just be stalling until moments before the interest rate and the interest rate time to give us what? An impulsive move, either to the downside or to the upside. But at the moment, we are looking what? Bearish. So let's see what price is going to do as in for the interest rate today. Okay. And again, just like the British pound, Japanese yen, whatever value we get from the interest rate will influence how price will act in the nearest few days, okay, in the next few days rather. Okay, this is what I got for gold. Now, the last but not the least is what? Bitcoin. For Bitcoin, it's very simple. Bitcoin is a very highly volatile and speculative market. Okay, yes, we're in seller's territory on the 4 hours, okay, on the daily. On this particular 1 hour time frame, we're also in seller's territory. Okay, yesterday I was looking for buys above here, but upon closer what investigation, I realized that taking buys above here would not be the best approach. Instead, we'll be looking for sells below here for price to do what? Have a counter trend trade. Okay, but like I always advocate, going counter trend requires practice, requires adherence to the rules that will prevent someone from holding the bulk of the trade whilst others have secured or covered their short or long position. Okay, you don't want to take sell and start kabashing, praying that God should help you, you should work out. No, trading is zero emotion. It doesn't have anything to even do with religion. So just understand where your trade might not work and keep repeating what works. It's as simple as that. Okay, so we are looking for further bearish momentum. Don't forget that price is holding above this strong level. Okay, but we're in seller's territory, so there's a possibility that price will do what? Continue downwards to retest this low. So let's see what price is going to do today, pending what? The interest rate decision. Whatever the interest rate gives would implicate or imply what would happen next. Okay, it will implicate how prices would do, implicating the whether in the favorable way or the negative way. For the British pound, Japanese yen, there has always been increase in interest rate from 0.25, before it even started as low as 0% to now 1.75%. An increase in interest rate would imply what? Tightening of the economy to prevent recession. A reduction in interest rate means there is what? Easing up of what? The tightening process to encourage borrowing, encourage investment, and what have you. So this is what I got for British pound, Japanese yen, gold, and what? Bitcoin. Do well to subscribe. Okay, you click the subscribe button here, hit that notification bell or button, comment, and the last but not the least is like. Peace, Barakabasha.